there, people from YouTube. How you doing? Hope you're alright. I'm Alex and she is nobody. And today we're here to watch 50 plus facts about space that will scare and amaze you. Which is something that I'm really excited about because I love space. I started to get into it more during this period of time that we can talk about. Yeah, I still have a lot to learn, and she kind of likes space too, so I'm dragging her into it. That's what's happening. She's just here because I dragged her and I kind of bribe her with food. This video is on YouTube. I will link it down below. It's from The Bright Side is the name of the page. I mean, I'm pretty sure that a lot of you know it. I didn't. I just found out about it. So yeah, I'm really curious and excited to watch this video. Are you?
Me too. I'm more curious if it amazed me or just blow my mind.
I think it will scare me to no end, and I probably won't sleep tonight. Let's get to it. Are you ready? I'm so ready. I'm so ready to let them blow my mind.
Running into a black hole normally ends in a spectacular light show and its destruction.
Yes.
Just one star that astronomers know of managed to survive an encounter with a...
I don't know what it is, but I get crazy with black holes. Look at that. Look at that thing. It's huge. It just scares me. I have chills and I'm about to cry because it scares me.
The black hole as heavy as 400,000 suns.
400,000 suns? Yeah.
When they got too close to each other, the hungry space monster, temptation,
the hungry space monster.
Snack. Eventually, the poor thing turned into a white dwarf.
It's crazy how they call it a dwarf when it's like huge.
Yeah, but comparing.
Yeah, I know. Like giant red and white dwarfs. Yeah, I know. I get it, but it's still dwarf, you know?
Its journey isn't going super smoothly because of gravity.
It kind of looks like an atom if you look at it. Like the atoms, like there's the nuclear center, and then it just the electrodes and neutrons the spin around it, and they just have this weird orbit thing.
Most galaxies, including our Milky Way, have supermassive black holes at the center. The hungriest black hole astronomers have spotted so far weighs as much as 34 billion suns and is about 6 times bigger than the one at the center of the Milky Way.
I don't know, like black holes are probably the scariest thing for me that are in the universe. Like they can eat whatever they want. They just come and eat you and you just don't know. You're there and suddenly you're not.
But how you know?
You don't.
What happens?
You don't. You just go. You're not there all of a sudden. What if we actually exist in a black hole?
What if it spits you somewhere there? Else.
What if you're actually not in the in the Milky Way? What if the Milky Way is actually somewhere that's not exactly where they are expecting us to be?
No black hole should come closer to our planet than the sun for as long as the universe has existed, multiplied by 10 billion times. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, has about 100 billion stars.
I don't even know how to write 100 billion. It's probably 12 zeros. Can it be?
I don't know.
3 zeros is 1,000. 6 zeros is a million. Billion. How did you write 1 billion?
That's already beyond me.
I have no idea how to write 1 billion. If someone of you who knows how to write 1 billion, please let me know. I have problems with numbers and letters.
Isn't it just 9 zeros?
I think it's 12.
As for the entire universe, there are at least 1 billion trillion stars. That's a 1 with 21 zeros after it.
Thank you.
For comparison, one theory suggests there's an axis around which the whole universe rotates. It's aptly named the axis of evil.
It's where every cat lives. And the cat come from there. Axis of evil. They come from the axis of evil. Every cat is made there. And then they just sent us the cats to scare us.
Black holes can attract not only stars and planets, but also other black holes.
Can we just stop it with the black holes? I'm scared of black holes. Like, I have shivers. I get goosebumps because of black holes. I'm scared of that. It's crazy.
When I will want to scare you, I will just scream black hole.
No.
The moon's gravity is only 17% of the Earth's. If your weight was 100 pounds on our home planet, you'd only weigh 17 pounds on the moon.
I think I want to move to the moon.
Right?
I don't have to diet. I can eat whatever I want. I don't have to lose weight.
No, totally no losing weight.
No, I will fly. I'm moving to the moon.
Though it's easier to walk on the moon, it's more dangerous too. An astronaut's foot in a heavy spacesuit sinks into the moon's ground up to 6 inches deep.
Wow.
Long-distance jumps are uncontrolled and dangerous because the moon's surface is full of deep craters. One of the things Jupiter is famous for is the Great Red Spot, a giant spinning storm.
Yeah, I heard about that. The spinning tornado in Jupiter, but it was so big in older pictures. With the newest one from the Hubble telescope, it became so small. It's shrinked. It's getting smaller and smaller.
The planet Uranus, or Uranus, rotates on its side. This is the only planet laying on its side.
He's sleepy.
I'm so tired of rotating.
The closest neighbor to our Milky Way is the Andromeda Galaxy. You can see it on a clear night with an unaided eye.
When the sky is clearer, we should totally go out and check it out. Maybe during the summer.
I'm not sure if we can see it here.
I'm pretty sure you can see whatever.
Astronauts on board the International Space Station don't use their feet to walk. They float around. So in orbit, the skin on their feet becomes very soft and starts to peel off.
Can you imagine?
No, I don't want to imagine that.
You're just in space and you try to take off your socks and then you peel your feet. By the way, since the video is reminding you, subscribe to the channel. Both channels, actually.
Normal visible matter makes up just 5% of the universe. The rest consists of invisible dark energy, that's 68%, and dark matter, about 27%. Add it up, and there's 95% of space we know nothing about.
Wow, that's crazy.
Very crazy. I didn't find anything exactly like scary,
No, except the black holes.
but totally amazing.
Yeah, it's crazy. Like I said, I started to learn about space more recently, so a lot of things that I don't know. I didn't know many of these things, like for example in space the metal attracts itself and they bond, and I didn't know about the peeling skin.
No, that's something
I had no idea about
didn't
that.
even have to know.
No, I've always thought that going on the moon would be super cool and fun. Like you float, you don't have to walk, you weigh less, so you're super light. But I had no idea that it could be bad for a person. Like they said, your feet go like 15 centimeters inside. There are some things that they really blow your mind. But it was really cool, and I would love to watch more videos about space, especially comparisons with sizes. I think that having some comparison with sizes would be even more mind-blowing, I think. Anyway, thank you for sticking with us so far. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and go check out the original video that I will link in the description, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!